What's up, car enthusiasts? Seeing a random check engine light turn on while driving is an incredibly stressful experience. If you want to diagnose vehicle issues right at home, you are likely searching for the best OBD2 scanner around. Welcome to Cool Product. A smart diagnostic tool can easily save you hundreds of dollars at the repair shop. Let's get started. The X-Tool D7 comes packed with professional-grade diagnostic features that take all the frustrating guesswork out of vehicle maintenance. Whether you are a dedicated mechanic in a busy shop or a passionate automotive enthusiast who loves fixing things in your own garage, this device gives you incredibly in-depth insights into your vehicle. One standout capability of the X-Tool D7 is its advanced ECU coding, which is available for select vehicle models including VW, Audi, Skoda, Benz, and Mitsubishi. But what exactly does ECU coding do? It allows you to perform offline coding to optimize your vehicle's overall performance. If you ever need to replace a broken part, this tool facilitates important module resets and adaptations, offering a seamless way to maintain or enhance your car's functionality. You no longer need to rely on an expensive dealership just to match a newly installed part to your engine computer. Moving beyond standard coding, the X-Tool D7 introduces advanced communication protocols that guarantee much faster and efficient diagnostics. For instance, it features FCA AutoAuth, providing full diagnostic and bidirectional support for modern Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Fiat vehicles. For newer GM models manufactured from 2020 onward, such as Cadillac and Buick, the scanner utilizes the CAN-FD protocol. This ensures lightning-quick communication and highly accurate readings. Additionally, if you work on luxury European vehicles, you will love the built-in DUIP protocol support for BMW, Land Rover, and Jaguar. This significantly accelerates data transfer speeds during complex diagnostic procedures, ensuring you are never left waiting. To make your workflow even smoother, this scanner is equipped with a smart Auto VIN scan feature. Instead of forcing you to manually type out a long identification number, the X-Tool D7 quickly and automatically identifies your vehicle's detailed version information the moment you plug it into the port. This brilliantly streamlines your entire diagnostic process from the start. If you are working on an older vehicle where the Auto VIN system is unavailable, you can easily use the intuitive touchscreen to manually navigate through the vehicle systems to find exactly what you need. Sharing that vital information is beautifully simple thanks to the upgraded Diagnostic Report 2.0 system. This software enables you to create incredibly detailed digital reports in 4 different formats. It features a clean icon display of the main vehicle systems and offers fully customizable layout designs. If you run a professional garage, you can easily add your own shop branding to these documents. This greatly enhances the professional presentation of your diagnostic findings when handing a printed report to a customer or saving it for your records. Perhaps the most powerful tool inside the X-Tool D7 OBD2 scanner is its comprehensive bidirectional control functionality. A basic code reader only receives information from the car, but a true bidirectional scanner allows you to actively send direct commands back to the various systems in your vehicle. This amazing feature lets you perform active tests and system checks on the fly. You can manually command the fuel pump to turn on, roll the electric windows up and down, or test the radiator cooling fans. This allows you to quickly determine if specific parts are functioning correctly, if they need immediate replacement, or if they require further physical inspection. It turns a complicated guessing game into a precise science, making the D7 an all-in-one solution for fast, accurate vehicle diagnostics. The amazing combination of advanced module coding, multi-protocol support, detailed reporting, and active bidirectional control firmly positions the X-Tool D7 as a remarkably powerful tool for everyday automotive maintenance and long-term performance optimization. You will always feel fully prepared to handle any strange mechanical issues that pop up. Do not let a mysterious dashboard light ruin your weekend plans. Check the price link in the description to upgrade your home garage setup today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome automotive tools and gear. Stay safe on the road, and I will see you guys next time.